안녕하세요, this is Gia. Today we are going to make a dish that can be served as a very special appetizer. It's called 오징어 숙회. This dish is also called gang-hoe. Gang-hoe is a word for lightly parboiled vegetables such as minari or fresh young scallions. It is often paired with gently cooked squid. Today we're going to make scallion gang-hoe with a par-cooked fresh squid. And it is served with a vinegared gochujang as a dipping sauce. We'll begin with the sauce ingredient. Finely minced garlic. In a small bowl, combine rice vinegar, sugar, gochujang, the Korean chili paste, and minced garlic. Give it a nice mix and you'll make a delicious sweet, sour, and spicy gochujang sauce. It's called gochujang in Korean. Now we want to work on the green onion and minari. This is minari, which is a parsley family. People usually use minari to wrap around the squid strips in this dish. For this recipe, we only need the stems, so be sure to take off the leaves. If you prefer, you can use green onions instead of minari as a substitute. Add half tablespoon of salt to the pot of water and bring it to a boil. Now we'll move on to trimming the squid. I'm using fresh squid for this recipe today. When working with squid rings, there's a helpful tip. To remove the intestines without cutting the body, gently insert your fingers and break the connecting string. Afterward, remove the squid bones and carefully pull the legs. All the intestines will come out at the same time. Then neatly cut them using scissors or a knife. Using pre-cut squid rings makes the preparation more simple. Here's how to blanch the scallions. Place the scallions in boiling water starting from the root part. Hold them in the water for about 30 seconds and then immerse the whole scallion. Continue to blanch them until the root parts become tender, which should take about 40 seconds, just under a minute. Once they're done, quickly transfer the scallions to cold water to stop the cooking process and maintain their vibrant green color. Now let's work with the minari. Blanch them in the same manner we did with the scallions. After that, add the squid to the pot and cook it until it becomes opaque, which should take about 1 minute. Be cautious not to overcook the squid, as it can become very tough. Undercooked squid is better than overcooked. Next, squeeze out the excess water from the blanched scallions and arrange them on a plate. Remove the fin from the squid and then slice the body into ½ inch thick rings. Then wrap the green onion or minari around the squid like a belt and tie a knot to keep it secure. Both green onion and minari go well with squid, and they are so yummy when dipped in a spicy gochujang sauce. This dish can be served cold or in a room temperature. So the good thing about this dish is that it can be made ahead of time. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on my next video.